Hey everyone, how's it going? Getting things set up here. One moment. All right. Looking good. Hey everyone, how's it going? Good to see you. Happy Tuesday. It's a week of Thanksgiving where we've got all of our celebrations and all those family gatherings. We've previously updated our game to support threading, which was surprisingly easy. I remember over the years when I was getting started in computer science, threadings were complicated. They were scary. Threads were scary, and I wasn't sure how I wanted to deal with those. Turns out it's actually pretty easy. Like after so many years of just doing computer, threading becomes an easy task. And we want a thread in order to dispatch a network request, in order to collect all of the current active players in session. I want to see how many players are online this very moment. And so I want to finish that. I want to finish that code here. We're going to see that code right now. We're going to finish that. It's going to show us how many players are in the game at this very moment. I'm actually really excited about it. I'm really excited to see how that's going to work. And we will go over here and let's jump into it. All right. So we started off. We got our threading. We've got a request library for networking, threading, and then we've got a queue for the exchange of information between the threads, which is a nice object that works really good. And it's a multi-producer single consumer item, which is a queue. And I do believe you could maybe use it as a you might be able to use it as a multi-consumer, multi-producer. Though you could also just have more than one. Hey, Karma Gupta, good to see you, bro. What do you watch on Reels on YouTube or Facebook in your free time? The different. I watch all of them. I watch all the different ones. Hey Zane, good to see you. Welcome on in. Oh, Adrian, how's it going? We're doing some coding today, you guys. We're doing some coding. I watch all the platforms, all the different platforms, you guys. I watch all of them. All right, here we go. Let's check this out. So, we want to add occupancy tracking into our game. In order to do that, so we've got a connection here that's going to receive data about the current number of occupants. So I almost got it going. Printf tt equals. How did you know, Zane? Wait, Zane, how did you know this? Wait. You're looking at this right here. Oh yeah, look at that. We could use an f string. Hey Zane, all right, we could do that. Equals, right? Let's do that. So you can see it here. There you go. Little f string. All right, you use double quotes. I'll use some double quotes as well. Nice. Good idea, Zane. I wasn't even thinking that. Oops. There we go. Better. Use an f string. That's the format string. Equals. That's different. You've got an look at that. Oh, wait. You're doing something different. Hold on. You can add an equal sign inside of the brace? Really? What does that do? What does it do? I don't know. I'm going to try it out. We're going to try it out. What does that do? What does it do when you do that? Is it even working? Is it going here? Wait, I don't see any output. Zane, actually, thank you for showing that. I'm actually really curious. And then drop the prefix. We could absolutely. All right, I'll drop the prefix too. Why isn't it printing though? I'm actually kind of curious. Why isn't it printing? All right, let's go over here. We should say. Oh. Got it. Okay. There's something here. We got to print except E, right? Let's do this real quick. Oh, whoa, we've got some. Hey, Abdu, thank you for joining in here. Thank you for your subscription. I like Zane. Thank you so much for doing this. This is neat. All right, so let's do that. I'm new to that. Boom, did it. Updated. Now we got to figure out why it's not printing. Hey, Abdu, thank you for joining in. Good to have you. Yo, what up? Hey, The Last Act. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. We're gonna update our game here. We're updating our game to have occupancy tracking. And Zane over here is so graciously give us some neat little tips. We're learning new things all the time. I love it. I'm really excited about this. So something went wrong in here. So we got to print out the exception. We'll see what the exception is. We'll do print. We want to print the exception here. Occupancy error. We got an occupancy error. Who that? Oh, Ronbot. Hey, Ronbot, welcome on in. Thank you for joining in here. We're making a game, you guys. We're making a game. It's a game where the AI learns to chase you. We're not using fake AI where we generate our own algorithm. We're actually training a real artificial intelligence with a real neural net using Pytorch. We're using Pytorch and it will. Wait, that's not here. Pytorch right here. This is right here. Using Torch, we're using the Torch library, and it will train a neural net to have an AI track and follow you down. It's really neat when it works. It really neat. TT equals is syntactically sugar for it is. Zane, all right, I really want to see that. I really do. I'm really excited about this. So let's check it out real quick. We need to see what the error is. There might be an error in here somewhere. Because nothing's printing. Why is that not printing? This is weird. It should be printing on the screen. All right, we got to figure out why it's broken. Why is it broken, you guys? Something's wrong. Something is broken here. All right, we got to figure out what it is. It was working before. All right, so let's see if we can do this. Let's see, print starting. Yeah, let's just print this. Let's see if that works. We should see something there. Sent 1x. Wait, what is that? Is that a squid? What is that? What did you do? Hey, Drizzy, what is that? I'm curious about that. What is that, Drizzy? All right, so let's see here. Is that why? Is it? Are we even printing here? Is it even going to print? We got to figure it out. All right, so that does show up. It does show up there. All right, so if that shows up, let's see if we can print something here. Let's see here. All right, let's put here. Let's put here. All right, good. Let's see here. All right, let's get this going. 1 second. What kind of model? Okay, what kind of model? Good question. This is. I'll show you, Drizzy. I'll show you. All right, let's jump into it. Why? I still haven't figured out why it's print. Oh, is there? All right, here you go. All right, / model. All right, we'll show you, Drizzy. Mutex. Oh, we don't need to worry about mutexes. This is just all message passing through multi-producer, single consumer. Chris, I don't understand them that well. We don't need to use a mutex because we are doing message passing, which is a much better, more fun way to deal with it. I like it doing it a lot better. If I have to deal with like mutexes and other locking and locks, right, on shared memory, then you have to do like extra considerations, and you can have races, and you can have like deadlocks, and it can cause all sorts of problems with your program. I like it much better to have asynchronous communication between your threads, so that way you don't have to worry about blocking anyone. No one has to block if one of the threads fails. Oh well, the other threads keep going. Here's the model. All right, here, it's a very simple model. It's a super simple model. Nothing challenging, nothing complex here. So Drizzy, there you go. A simple feed-forward neural network with ReLU and then an output on tanh, specifically tanh, because it needs positive and negative for the velocities when it's tracking the player on the screen. Is it going to be plus or minus the x dimension or the y dimension, right? So up or down, and it's a two-dimensional game. 2D game, you guys. All right, so we're adding multiplayer. We're adding a little bit of multiplayer, just a snippet, just a smidgen of multiplayer. And so, is this Python? You're right. Add Amtrix. You're right. It is Python. We're using Python. Eventually, we will convert it over to C# and Unity so we can deploy it on the App Store, and anyone can play it specifically so you can learn how AIs train. This is a reinforcement learning model. Oh, nice. Thanks. Hey, Chris Angular. Happy to help. Let me know if there's any other questions or any other approaches here. Or if anyone has any suggestions, I'm also love to learn. I love to learn. What about Rust? Oh, we could absolutely do Rust. Rust is my favorite programming language, specifically from a business perspective, because it is so performant, fast, has compile time memory safety checks, which, that doesn't happen in most other languages. It also has compile time concurrency checks. No other languages, as far as I know, do that. There might be some claims, but they don't. Only Rust does it. Rust is the one. Is that CSS? It is not CSS. This is not CSS. This is Python. We're doing Python here. We're doing some Python. All right. So what is causing the error? Why is this? Or so let's go in here. Print. So we got, does here show up? Here shows up. All right. Let's go try. All right. We're inside the try. Inside try. We're doing like the old way to debug, the standard way to debug. You just put print statements everywhere. That's what you do. Print statements. All right, let's see here. Inside try. Good. Consider using tensor.detach first. Okay, what line was that on? Okay, so game position X. Okay, so we need to look up this. I want to get rid of this little message here. It's not the main problem. But I want to make sure it's good. The print script laugh cry. I know. It's the way to debug. That's the way I like debugging. So there might be a problem around here. The only and strange thing is I would expect to see some sort of occupancy print here. Also, this should be printing. Why is this not printing? I want this to print. I want to print this as well. All right, so let's see here. Looks good. Okay, happy, looking good. All right, everyone's fine. All right, so where is this at? So / paste. I need this. All right, so / that. This. Thank you. All right, this is, where's this at? Right here? Is this where it is? All right, so we have to do a detach here. So AI directions train. Do we need to do is that what that said? It wanted to detach there? Yeah, it looks like that. Okay, so this needs to be detached. We got to detach. Maybe your API call is hanging. Oh, you're right. It is. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. It is. It is. Okay, so I know you're totally right. It is. All right, thank you. You solved my problem. That's exactly what it is. You like Python, bro? Good luck. Excellent. Thank you so much. You're so right. It is. Zane, thank you. I exactly know how to fix this. I know how to fix it. I know how to fix it. All right, so let's do this. All right, let's do this. All right, There. Done. Fixed. Easy, right? All right, I love it. Zane, thank you. Thank you for saying. All right, how easy would it be for a TypeScript dev to learn Python along some... I think Python is great because Python has a loose typing system. With TypeScript, there is it's more strict, I would say, so Python's a little bit easier to get into. As you can see here, I've got some types defined here on the screen. We've got our def occupancy with a Q, so we're giving it a type, also an output with an integer. So there is some typing, although it's absolutely optional. I could delete the output typing. I could also delete this over here as well. It will still work. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that amazing? So yes, as a TypeScript faded DGO7, you're right. Exactly. It is very easy to learn, I would say. I would say very easy comparatively. You can get things going pretty easily. Although TypeScript and JavaScript engine is asynchronous in nature, so all the network calls are all asynchronous driven. In Python, everything is blocking by default. So if you want to get some asynchronous calls, you need to use an event loop of your own, maybe like Tatsumaki, Tornado, Twisted. So you have to bring in an event loop engine all on your own in order to get Python to work like TypeScript from a networking perspective, or you could use threads. Python is loosey-goosey with types. You're right, PR Punk. It is loosey-goosey. You're absolutely right. All right, so let's see here. All right, so that should work now. Now that I fixed that, Zane, thank you for the fix. Thank you, Zane. I appreciate it. All right, so real quick, I want to detach the this here. We got to detach it. All right, so AI _ directions is detach. All right, perfect. I think that should be good enough. All right, that should get rid of the error there. Although that created some other error. All right, what is? Oh, I got it. Okay, I know what's going on now. All right, so all right, we got to fix this. We got to fix it. Okay, this is the first time I've fell into a live Python scripting. Cool, nice. Williams, or Willie Sims. All right. Hey man, what's going on? We're updating our game to have player occupancy tracking. We're gonna do player occupancy tracking. How many players are currently playing the game right now, this very moment? Yeah, Willie, we're doing Python. We're doing live Python scripting. All right, so the problem is here. Let's see here. This is where the problem is. So what we need to do is we need to see if there is anything before we track this. If we need to say if len here, let's just do this. Len. All right. If len. All right. That's all we got to do. If there's a length, then we need to apply the occupancy. That's all we're expecting. That's all we're expecting. Also, we had it inside a was it printing the accept here? Was it printing the accept? Exception. Okay, so let's do right. Why Python for a game? Because we're using Pytorch. Pytorch is a common framework for machine learning, and that is the main reason. And the game is going to be eventually ported over to C# for Unity. Eventually with C# for Unity. BBC Lover, thank you for the follow. Fred. Your name, Fred. How's it going?